Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the exact widget configuration file in your project. Open Widgets, JSON or Widgets, XML now. Once open, make a backup copy named Widget Backup with today's date to avoid loss. Next, switch to a code editor with syntax highlighting so you can safely edit values. As you work, keep the app or preview pane ready to test changes. This immediate focus prevents errors later and gets you into the editing flow without unnecessary setup or waiting. Once done opening the file, search for color tokens like color, background, accent, or primary color, and locate the exact attribute in the widget definition. You should replace the existing hex or RGB value with your chosen color code using #RRGGBB or RGB. Make sure to preserve commas and quotes so the file remains valid. After editing, validate the JSON or XML structure with your editor's linter. Then save. This precise editing ensures the widget reads the new color values correct. Now apply your changes by reloading the app or clearing the cache so the widget refreshes. This forces the new color to render. If the color doesn't appear, inspect CSS overrides, theme inheritance, or higher priority variables that may override your setting. Make sure selector specificity isn't blocking your value. If the file fails to parse or breaks behavior, revert to the backup copy and retry the edit step by step. One key tip: use the console or linter errors to pinpoint syntax mistakes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.